Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Super 8 by Wyndham New Iberia. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Super 8 by Wyndham New Iberia. A complimentary grab and go breakfast and free Wi-Fi connectivity are offered at this New Iberia motel. The Tabasco Factory is 7 miles from the motel. Super 8 New Iberia has air-conditioned units with a cable TV and a work desk. A coffee machine and a hairdryer are also provided. At New Iberia Super 8, you will find a refreshing outdoor swimming pool. Convenient 24-hour reception is also available. The property offers free parking. Gardens and Jefferson Island are each within 10 minutes drive of the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.